Are you ready to cash in on the AI revolution before it's too late? I know I am. The truth is, we're living in a time where artificial intelligence is changing the game, and those who get in early will reap the rewards. It's like being one of the first to invest in the internet back in the 90s, the potential for returns is huge. I've been exploring the world of AI income, and let me tell you, it's fascinating. The possibilities are endless, from creating automated online businesses to generating passive income through AI-powered investments. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. I mean, I'm not a coder, but I've been able to learn and adapt, and you can too. But here's the thing, the early mover advantage is real. Those who get in now will have a head start on the competition, and that's what I want for you. I want you to be able to take advantage of this opportunity and start building your AI income streams before everyone else figures it out. It's a chance to get ahead of the curve and create a financial future that's secure and exciting. As I've been learning more about AI, I've realized that it's not just about automation, it's about augmentation. It's about using AI to enhance our abilities and create new opportunities. For example, think of a writer who uses AI to generate ideas and outlines, but still puts their own unique spin on the content. It's like having a superpowered research assistant at your beck and call. And that's what's so exciting about this space, the potential for collaboration between humans and AI. It's like the partnership between a driver and a GPS system. The GPS provides the route and the directions, but the driver still needs to make the decisions and take control. In the same way, AI can provide us with the tools and insights we need to succeed, but we still need to be the ones driving the process. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but isn't AI just going to replace human workers? And that's a valid concern. However, I believe that AI will create more jobs than it replaces, especially in the online earning space. Think of all the new opportunities that have arisen in the past decade: social media management, online coaching, and e-commerce, to name a few. AI will create new industries and job roles that we can't even imagine yet. As we navigate this new landscape, it's essential to stay curious and keep learning. I've been reading books and articles, attending webinars, and even taking online courses to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI. And I've been surprised by how accessible it all is. You don't need a PhD in computer science to understand the basics of AI and start applying them to your life. So, what can you do to start building your AI income streams? Well, one idea is to start exploring online platforms that use AI to connect buyers and sellers. For example, you could use AI-powered tools to find and sell products on Amazon or eBay, or even create your own online store using an AI-driven e-commerce platform. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and that aligns with your skills and interests. As I reflect on my own journey, I realize that I've been guilty of overthinking things in the past. I've spent too much time analyzing and not enough time taking action. But with AI, it's different. It's like having a superpower that can help you cut through the noise and get to the heart of what matters. And that's what I want for you, to be able to tap into that power and start creating the financial future you deserve. So, what's holding you back from getting started? Is it fear of the unknown, or uncertainty about where to begin? Whatever it is, I want you to know that you're not alone. We're all in this together, and we can learn from each other's experiences and successes. As we continue on this journey, I'll be sharing more of my own insights and discoveries, and I hope you'll do the same. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI is going to play a bigger and bigger role in our lives. And that's what makes this moment so exciting. We get to be a part of shaping that future and creating the world we want to live in. It's like being a pioneer in a new frontier, with all the challenges and opportunities that come with it. And that's what I love about this space, the sense of possibility and discovery. It's like being a kid in a candy store, with new and exciting things to explore around every corner. From automation to online earning, the potential for AI to transform our lives is vast. So, what will you do with this opportunity? Will you seize it and run with it, or will you let it pass you by? As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. What would you do if you had an extra $1,000 per month in AI income? Would you pay off debt, invest in a new business, or simply enjoy the freedom and security that comes with having more money in your pocket? Whatever your answer, I want you to know that it's possible, and it's within your reach. So, join me on this journey, and let's explore the world of AI income together and see where it takes us. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the latest insights and discoveries in the world of AI and technology.